day, Tinkercad friends. It is near the Christmas holidays, and I just came up with a sweet lesson that we can do. I need you to sign into Tinkercad, and let's get cracking. First things first, I need you to click Create New Design. As usual, let's name it. I'm going to name this Tree, and then I'm going to put MDH, and I've made many of these, so I'm going to call it Tree MDH5. Now, we've made lots of trees, and we've done lots of fun techniques, but we are going to make a tree today using Scribble. Bring your Scribble out. You'll remember that when you click on it, it goes inside. If you ever make a mistake, you can hit Clear, and then check out this idea for a Christmas tree. Draw your stump, draw a branch, and a branch, and a branch, and a branch. Only do the half, leave it like that, and click Done. When it comes through, change it to 1 millimeter thick so it's nice and thin. And then we want to stand it up. When you stand it up, I recommend using the tick marks. So if you stay close to the shape, it just snaps to that 90-degree height. I'm going to make it green, and I'm going to do the letter D to drop it to the perfect height. This is where the magic part happens. If you do Control D, it duplicates it. Rotate it a couple degrees. Nudge it back to the center with the arrow keys without touching anything else. And now if you do Control D again and again and again, you will have just made an amazing, beautiful, adorable, epic Christmas tree. If you make a couple of extra, it's not that big of a deal. If you peek at it from the top, you can see how cool it just turned out. If you click anything else, it will cancel the rotation though. So you got to make sure you don't touch anything to make your awesome Christmas tree. Once you have your tree in place, you can use all of the skills you've ever used in Tinkercad to make your own amazing ornaments and make it turn out as epic as you want. You can add a star, you can do anything you want to make your Christmas tree be the coolest one in all the land. Once you have one ornament in place, you can use that duplicate trick again, nudge them to other locations, move them in, out, raise them up using the cone. Anything you want to place them where you want. Pick the fun colors. I don't know if I've ever seen a Christmas tree with an orange ornament. I'm going to go with something a little more festive. I'm going to add a cool star. There is a star built in. When you bring either of these stars out, notice they are not the direction that we want. I'm going to use the shift trick to shrink my star down to a manageable size. And then when I look at it from the side, I can find the rotation to get it so it stands up. Once again, go into the middle. And then I want my star to be rotated so that it's standing on those two legs. So I'm just doing custom numbers to snap it into place. Use the cone to lift it up. And that would be the largest star in all the land. But what's kind of neat is I can get it up to close to where I want it, and then I can do that shift trick where I hold shift and squeeze any handle and it shrinks it down to the right size. Let's look at it from the front, and it is looking pretty amazing. Can you think of things that you would use for tinsel? Are there any other things that you could draw using Scribble? What can you do to make it more awesome, and then maybe when you're done, even add some cool text? Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you had a ton of fun with this. If you make something epic, please make sure you share it with us at HLModTech using Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. If you like the movie, please hammer that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smack that subscribe button. If you got a question or a comment, leave it down below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie, click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful holiday and keep tinkering.